Hello, welcome back on this tutorial, and I will teach you how to clone someone's keywords on YouTube. And you will learn how to clone someone's YouTube keywords to avoid stressing yourself cracking memories. Now, let's go.
Go to YouTube or YouTube. Yes. Then you search for the niche. The niche you want to use, maybe AI teaching or all this tech. Maybe let's search AI tech. AI. Okay. Like this guy now. This guy is talking about things that is concerning AI stuff, the tools. Now let's go to his YouTube this thing. About his channel. Then you go here and copy his YouTube link. Yes. Now let's go to Zoom Pocket. Zoom Pocket. Then you press as this 3 dash. You select YouTube keywords. Keyword, right? Yes, YouTube keyword. Then you paste that his handle. Yes. Yes. You verify the captcha. Traffic lights. You verify. Go to review keywords. Now, have you seen it? This is the channel keyword he used. Then you come here and click copy. You copy the keyword. The keyword is very, very important in YouTube channel. It makes YouTube to send out your this to your channel to people. As you can see, I have 1 million subscribers. Now you press copy, copied. Now you head over to your YouTube listen. Now let me use my own listen and show you example. I'll go to my YouTube studio. I'll go to my YouTube studio. Wait, let me zoom it. Then you press, you go to setting. If you go to setting, now you go to channel. In this channel now you will see this in country of residence. Then see the keyword. See it here. This keyword, I've already uploaded my own. As you can see my own. This is my own keywords. There are many. Yeah, you can make your own many, something like that. So this is where you upload your keyword. That keyword that you copied, there is here you upload it one after the other. So this is how to clone someone's keyword. Thank you for watching. Please, if you find this video interesting, please do so to subscribe, like, and share this video so that other people who need this can see it. Thank you very much. Peace.